Hi everyone, I hope this video will make the coronavirus less viral and hopefully this video will become viral. So let's take off the masks and talk about what we can do regarding the coronavirus. This is not instead of going to your healthcare practitioner, it's just some information I would like to share about things that can help our immune system because many people are trying to figure out what they can do to make the situation better. So I'm a practitioner of herbal medicine and I want to talk about the immune system. In general, corona is a virus and it infects our cells, and once a cell is infected, it would present on its membrane that it has been infected by the virus. And then what happens is natural T cells that are part of our immune system will come and kill the cell that has been infected. So everything I'm going to talk about now is going to be about how to enhance the effectivity of the natural killer cells that are part of our immune system. So before we go into herbs, I just want to talk a bit about nutrition and things that are known in general to help the immune system. So many of us have heard about vitamin C as being very beneficial. And instead of taking supplements, which are also great, I'm always for consuming things that have these vitamins in them. For example, peppers like red pepper have a high concentration of vitamin C. Most people know about lemons and citrus fruits, but peppers have a higher concentration of vitamin C. Another thing that's important for our immune system is selenium, which is a substance that is found in Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are always recommended to be taken on daily basis. Between 1 or 2 Brazil nuts, that's a good amount. And another thing that's important is zinc. Zinc could be found in pumpkin seeds, so that's a good source of zinc. Now I want to talk a bit about herbs. The first herb I want to talk about is astragalus, which is known in Chinese medicine as huang qi. Astragalus is known to boost the immune system and also has been researched to show that it does increase the amount of natural T cells or natural killer cells. And I will show you how it looks like. I have it here in my clinic. It's important to know that in Chinese medicine, huang qi is a tonifying herb. So it's good for people that have a weak constitution. Its flavor is sweet. So it's very good for tonifying the qi, but if people have other things in their system like dampness, so it would be less relevant to use huang qi because it will increase the dampness and kind of clog the qi mechanism. Another herb which is used for virus infections, which are more acute and dramatic, which many times include tonsillitis or throat ache, is a herb called isatis. In Chinese it's called qing dai. It has this really strong blue color. I'll just find it here. Yeah, there it goes. It's this herb. I don't know if you can see how blue it is, but it was used in the past to color as a dye to color clothing. So qing dai, which is also known as indigo, the botanical name is isatis, is also quite good, but it's more for symptoms that are correlated with heat, which is like throat ache, sweating, high fever, muscle aches. It can be relevant in these situations. And another herb which is often used is a herb called in Chinese medicine jininhua. The botanical name is Lonsorea pholus. You can see it right here. Jininhua is also beneficial for addressing viruses. It usually comes together with another herb called lianqiao. This herb right over here. And these couple are from the category of herbs that treat wind heat in the exterior, which is kind of like the herb we talked about before, isatis. It's for like throat ache, sweating, and symptoms that are more related to an acute situation. Out of the Ayurvedic medicine, there's a herb which is used a lot called ashwagandha or Vitania somniflora. It's known as an adaptogen. It's more closely related to huangqi, the first herb we talked about. It's also a tonifier. And adaptogen herbs are good for adapting to different situations. So it's also good for stress related issues, which is always a good idea. When we're in stress, our immune system performs not as good as when we're calm. And other than that, of course, try avoiding being in touch with many people. Try to kind of be isolated so the spreading of the corona won't be as dramatic as it is. And I wish you all good health. I hope this has been good information for you guys. And hopefully we'll see some good days and the coronavirus will be part of history. Thanks a lot.